Hey, I'm in KLCC Park. It's Kuala Lumpur City Park, City Center Park, and it's my first time here. So far, all I know is it's hot. I'm going to go over and take a look at the Twin Towers, which is right over there. So getting here was pretty good. The airport's about an hour away from the city, but it was fast. There was no line at customs. Luggage took a little longer than expected, but for the most part, everything went really smooth. And then it opens up into a shopping mall. And there are the towers. Pretty impressive. It is 3:28, as you can see. And over here is a water park. Very nice. So this is nice. Looks like they need to add a little water. Good view of the city though. Sculpture over there. So what do I think of the city so far? So far I'm liking it. The heat's a little rough, but everything that I've done has went smooth. I mean, even from the airport to the check-in to my hotel. Went out and ate last night. Food was amazing. I mean, the place that I went, it was amazing. So I don't know what that guy's doing. I don't know if he's cleaning or what. But we're going to head over to the Twin Towers and take a look. Look at that. Isn't that impressive? Hey, thank you. Family taking multiple photos, some with kids, some without kids. They were taking up quite a bit of time, and they offered to let me step in there to get that short piece of video, and greatly appreciated. It's another thing here so far that I've noticed is everybody has been so nice. I had been to Malaysia once before. It was about 8 or 9 years ago. I don't remember where. It was down close to Singapore, and was on that tour, so I really didn't get to talk to many people. But there we go. Look at that. It's another good spot. So we're out of the park now, obviously. I can get a little bit better view of the city. I think this is where the fountain show is. I'm not going to swear to it, but I heard at nighttime there's a pretty nice show. This up here looks like possibly a mall. So Chanel. Down here is Rolex. I think the best place to get a good price on a Rolex is down at the market. Maybe a little fake, but that's okay. It's a pretty big, beautiful city. And they're by the mall. Look at all the taxi drivers. But that's normal. Well, not at home. call a taxi from the mall at home. It takes them an hour to get there. Here, they are ready to pounce. Nothing was worse. Taxi I called, leaving from my room to come down here, it took about 20 minutes to get stuck in traffic. So, that's okay. I'm not complaining. It happens. I knew it was a bad time of day to call. So. Nice. So, do I have any advice for someone coming here? Stay in Bukit Bintang or Kuala Lumpur city center. That would be my only advice. Other than that, all I gotta say is just do it. A lot of buses. I don't know if they're in that mall or where they are. Or maybe there's something going on I don't know about. So we're back here on the other side. You see some of the stores. It's Decathlon. One of them in Chiang Mai I went to. It was pretty nice. Comparable to Academy Sports in America. We're already right next to the Decathlon store. Careful, it's too hot to get hit by a car. I wouldn't be able to react. Just lay there and fry on the pavement. Get your Galaxy 24 series there. If you didn't know. Starbucks. We are going to go in there, not because it's a Starbucks, because I can already feel that cool air. So as you can see, Kuala Lumpur is a big, modern city. I don't know how many million live here, but you're going to be able to find anything you need, anything you want. You can go to the markets, you can get inexpensive goods, you can come to these areas, get luxury goods. It's all here. H&M Home. I'd seen one of these before, but I kind of forgot that they had home stores. I don't know the name of this mall, but here we are. It's like up there's the food area. Well, that's where we're headed. Big Apple donuts and coffee. There's a chicken rice place down there at Toy World. Japanese store. Yeah, I'm thinking the chicken rice place just ain't gonna do it for me today. Give a better view of the mall. Again, this is a fairly small mall, by no means the largest in the city. Here's the food court. Pasta, no. Rice noodles, no. I think I am out of luck. So where's that KFC I saw from earlier? Big bowls are nice. I honestly have no idea where I'm at right at the moment. Okay, this is Avenue K Mall. And of all places to find a sign telling me where things are, it is on the elevator door. So we are headed down to Upper Concourse. Burritos. Oh, all the way down by the H&M store. It's funny.
Yeah.
Pizza, Subway. I was going to go to a Subway yesterday, but all they have is the sandwiches and stuff. Oh, that one's got chips. When I went to yesterday, it had no chips. 7-Eleven down here. Oh. So you people who don't know, I am from Kentucky. I at least lived there for over 30 years. And should I go to KFC? Sadly, what I've found in most countries, their KFCs are better than the ones in Kentucky. Let me see. Choices, burgers, Zinger, Colonel Classic. I don't know what a Zinger is. I'm guessing that's some kind of sauce. Huh. Let's go. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna do a Zinger combo. Maybe. Yeah. Zinger cheese. Okay, we'll try that. Medium, Coke Zero. No, that's what I want. Fries, medium. Be okay. Add to order. Proceed to payment. Nope. Cash. So how was KFC? It was actually good. The chicken sandwich had mozzarella cheese. It was very good. The fries were good. The ketchup, it was a little different. The Coke, well, it was Coke. So that's all I can say about that. So I think I'm gonna go back to my room, take another shower, put this deodorant to good use, and then probably in a few hours head out and see what the nightlife's like. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Check out the links in the description, and I will see you all. So hey guys, we're going to do another quick room tour. The last one I got really a great response. I was kind of surprised. So we've got a deep sink, microwave, 2-burner stove. In here is the washer. No dryer, but it's okay. Water kettle. I haven't opened up these cabinets yet to see what's here. So the dishes over here, and I'm sure there's coffee cups and stuff like that somewhere. So a little TV. Pretty nice view overall. I don't know what that is. Looks like they might be tearing something down, but good city view. We'll go in here and show you the bedroom. So this bed is actually pretty comfortable. And again, same view from the bedroom. Lots of storage space. The drying rack, my suitcase, and here is the restroom, the toilet. Nice sink, me, good shower. So I am pretty satisfied with the room. So if you have any questions about it, just leave a comment.